my dirty stream. Still I love it, and I'll keep the dream that someday, though maybe not this year, my Hudson River will once again run clear. She starts in the mountains of the north, crystal clear and icy trickles forth. Just a few floating wrappers chewing gum, dropped by some hikers to warn of things to come. At Glen Falls, 5,000 honest hands work at the consolidated paper plants. 5,000 gallons of waste a day. Why should we do it any other way? Sailing up my dirty stream, still I love it, and I'll keep the dream that someday, no, maybe not this year, my Hudson River will once again run clear. Out in the valley, 1 million toilet shades find my Hudson such a convenient place to drain. And each little city says, who, me? What do you think that sewage treatment plants come free? Out in the ocean, they say the water's clear, but I live right in Poughkeepsie, halfway between the mountains and the sea, tacking to and fro